For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can delete or unsend messages on WhatsApp. With this video, you don't have to worry about accidentally sending wrong messages to the wrong person. So, if you've experienced this before and you want to learn how to undo it, just keep on watching. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. Once you open WhatsApp, it will lead you to this page where you'll see your messages, so go to a certain conversation. To show you an example of how to delete a message, I just sent a message here. I said hello. And then to delete that, just long press the message that you sent. And once you long press that message, this will appear where at the bottom part, you'll see an option to delete. So just press delete. And then here you'll have the option to delete for everyone or delete for me. So if you want to delete it to the other person as well, remember to press delete for everyone. And just like that, that message will not be seen on your phone and your chatmate's phone also. Also, if you just had a typo or you want to edit the message you just sent, you can also long press it and then press edit. Once you press edit, you'll have the chance to retype the message that you just sent. One note though, remember that you cannot delete older messages that you sent. So if you sent a typo or wrong message, just delete it immediately. And that's basically it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.